The main goal of applicant tracking systems is to streamline applicants. To get noticed as an applicant, you should be optimizing your resume specifically to fit the job you're applying for. When you apply through an ATS, you will most likely be asked to answer knockout questions. Their purpose is to narrow the pool of applicants immediately. From knockout questions to keyword searches, there are plenty of opportunities for your resume to be rejected or lost in the shuffle. Each applicant tracking system is slightly different, but they all follow the same basic process. Step 1. Your resume is submitted to the ATS. Step 2. Information is extracted from your resume. Step 3. Information is then organized into sections. Step 4. The recruiter or hiring manager searches the ATS by keywords. Step 5. Resumes with matching keywords are reviewed by recruiters or hiring managers. ATS are built to ease the job of the recruiter or hiring manager by narrowing the pool of job applicants to those that fit the description more closely. The fact is, you will not get an interview if your resume is not optimized against an ATS. Let's take a look at the challenge at large. Last year, Inc. magazine reported that on average, a corporate job posting receives 250 applications. Of those 250 applications, only 4 to 6 will be contacted for an interview. Up to 75% of qualified applicants are rejected by an ATS because their resume can't be read properly. Many ATS use Boolean search capability, which allows a recruiter or hiring manager to combine search terms using and, not, and or. For example, the recruiter will get more exact information if they search web developer and Chicago. Candidates whose resume mention web developer as a skill, as well as their location in Chicago, will jump to the top of the applicant list. Typically, recruiters and hiring managers only consider resumes that have more than 70% match rate. Applicant tracking systems store applications even after the job has been filled. Recruiters and hiring managers can then search the resume stored in the ATS by using keywords. If the keywords for a different available position better matches with your resume, it is likely you will be contacted for an interview regarding a different role. Creating a skills section on your resume is a great way to include relevant keywords in a natural way. Soft skills are better proved in person than in your resume. Examples of hard skills are Spanish fluency, financial planning, Python. Examples of soft skills are hardworking, team player, and positive attitude. Remember, save these for the interview, not your resume. It is important you read the job posting carefully and notice which keywords are relevant to the position and how they repeat. If you have skills or experience that match those keywords, make sure to include them in your resume. Now that you understand how ATS work, make sure your resume gets seen.